Hey guys, it's your girl Moika, and I'm coming back at you with another video. So today I'm doing a final review on this wig, since I had a lot of requested from you guys on Instagram, especially on Snapchat, to do a final review on it just to see how it looks like. So instead of me answering to each one of you, I thought, you know what, I'm gonna do a final review. I have this hair for a good time. I will say that this is my natural everyday looking hair, so if I go out or if I literally every day I'm wearing it. If I'm going to an event or have an event that I need to be looking more like glamorous, I'll be wearing my colorways and stuff. But if it has to be natural, I'll be with this one because this hair is amazing. You guys can see how I'm rubbing my hand through it, and it's like buttery. It's like, it looks like a wig that I just got out of the package, that it's just, you know, just beautiful. This is how wigs should be reacting. You like, you know, when you have a wig or hair, no matter what it is, it's hair, it has to look like it's coming out of the package. And whenever we do brush it or, you know, just comb it, what we do with the hair, it needs to come back looking beautiful. So this is a case with Nadula. I've never had bad experiences with them at all. I've tried their curly hair. Usually I'll try bundles of their hair. So I was what is it, was it curly? I tried curly and body wave bundles, and yeah, I've tried water wave. The first one was water wave, and then it was the body wave, and my experience was amazing. I mean, I had a very nice experience with it. I still have the wigs. I think I sold one to a client and she loved it, and then the other one I believe is still here. It's kind of hard for me after I put all my wigs together to know which company it comes with, depending on how the tags are made inside of the wig, because some companies will have their name tagged inside of the wig, but others don't. Most of them don't. So it's hard for me to remember exactly what it is. Not bragging because I have a lot of wigs, but it's the truth. So yeah, first thing to say about this wig is that the lace comes in kind of a transparent medium brown color. So for my dark skin girls, my brown skin girls, y'all, you're gonna love it. Like, I haven't bleached the knots, I haven't tinted the lace. The only thing I did is put it on and laid my baby hair. Also, it comes with so much baby hair, it goes all the way here, so you will definitely have to cut it short to create like more like a regular natural looking look. So like that is not gonna look crazy. You don't really have to lay baby hair too. You can just put some gel and put the hair in the back, which is what I was looking to do at first. But at the end, when I saw how beautiful the baby hair was, like plucked and everything, I was like, no, let me just lay them. When I receive a wig that is fully customized for me, I'm definitely gonna put a fur on it because it deserves it. So this wig was around maybe $100. I didn't look at the price, to be honest. I should put it on the screen like that so you guys can see how much it was. They have affordable wigs, and for me, if I was you guys, and I'm not saying that because I love this hair or I'm you know, I'm sponsoring this, Nadula is sponsoring this video or whatever. No, I'm giving you guys my honest opinion, no matter what, no matter who, no matter the time. All right, so if I was you guys, instead of buying bundles, doing a sew-in or whatever what you guys do, I'll buy wigs, because bundles are more expensive and it takes you times to do the wig or to find somebody to do it for you, install it in and everything. But a wig, it's like already made, and it's with Nadula. I'm telling you, the bundles that you pay for are used to make the wig, so it's the same quality, it's the same which is very great too. Like, this is what every company should do, but some companies can be have bad wigs and beautiful bundles and vice versa. Okay, sorry y'all, my memory card was full. But yeah, so I forgot what I was saying, so I'm just gonna go ahead into the next info to know about this wig before you're purchasing it. Alright, so first thing first is through the length. I ordered a 24 inches and it goes a little late under my boob. It's definitely through the length. I have nothing to say about that. The shipping was great. I received it in less than 6 days, like around 3 to 6 business days. You know, once you order it, you might receive it in the next week, or yeah, within the next week, depending on when you order. If you order on a Friday, you might receive it on the next Monday. or around the week prior, you know. The hair is very thick. It didn't have a bad smell at all. So once I received the hair, I actually have a initial review on it when I install it in, and you see that I don't wash it. So I know you should always wash your wigs when you receive it, but I trust Nadula, so I didn't have any problem with that. Then how many times did I co-wash this hair since I have it? I co-washed this hair once, and the only reason why I did so is because I've used Ghost Bond that day to put it on, and when I use Ghost Bonds, I always wash my wigs the next time that I take it off, because I don't like the way it makes my laces, especially if I want to sell the wig afterwards. I need to take care of my wigs, and especially my lace, so like that when the customer bought a used unit, it looks like it's a brand new unit. And that's a very important thing for me. Like when I sell wigs, it has to be beautiful. It has to be like if I will be the consumer, I'll buy it and pay my money for it. It has to look exactly like I will want it, you know. So yeah, but anyway, you guys, that's pretty much my final review on Nadula hair. I love it. It's beautiful. You receive the wig in a box that the box is there. That's why I'm looking like that. But it says human hair wigs. At first when I received the box, I was kind of like, is it Nadula? Because Nadula has a Nadula box, the regular Nadula box, white box with gold in it. And yeah, it wasn't that. So I was confused between Beautiful Hair, Clary Hair, Clary Hair, and another one that I forget the name, because they mostly have the same boxes. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I know I skipped a lot of questions that you guys might want to understand. Like, I mean, this hair is super soft, super silky, didn't have much shedding, very thick. The density, I don't remember it, but I can tell you that it's about 250 density. Yo, this is big. This is a lot of hair, but I forgot. So all the information about this wig will be listed down below. As for Nadula Hair Company, and guys, this hair is your go-to hair. You'll be glad with this hair. You can curl it, you can dye it, you can do everything. This is real hair. This is good hair, okay? This is good hair. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next hair review or my next video. Let me know what type of video you would like to see other than reviews. Like, do you guys want to see skincare, stuff like that? I'll be glad to do it for you guys. So I love Nadula. Thank you, Nadula, for sending me such amazing hair. I love y'all. I will always. And I have pictures on Instagram also wearing this unit. My lashes are looking crazy. Thank you.